The Bear Foundation says child-on-child sexual violence often stems from curiosity and poor boundaries. The comments follow an investigation into allegations that a 14-year-old boy raped and killed a 6-year-old girl in Ceres earlier this month. The foundation, Shahida Omar, says while children are still developing neurologically, it does not excuse criminal behavior, but it does mean they have a greater chance of rehabilitation.
In extremely serious offences such as rape or murder, prosecution through the courts is likely, although the child's age, criminal capacity and individual circumstances remain important legal considerations. The age of criminal capacity in South Africa is 12 years.
Omar adds the misconception that sexual violence is only committed by adults needs to be debunked.
Research internationally and in South Africa indicates that a significant proportion of sexual abuse involving children is committed by another child or adolescent, arising from curiosity and poor boundaries to serious sexual offences involving coercion, violence, and significant age or developmental differences.